our low beam filament has burnt out. That is just the park lamp. That won't get you far in the dark. R850R, R1100R headlamp bulb replacement. Phillips screwdriver. Bottom of the headlamp. You do not need to remove the whole screw. Just give it a turn or two, and you'll have the headlamp in your hands. This hangs off the top. This lip catches up there and then fits into a notch. The bottom does the same, and this tab goes over the back. So when you reassemble, top goes on, bottom goes in, and then tighten the screw, and it locks it in place. The back has your standard headlamp connector. These are usually dry. So be gentle. We're going to put some dielectric grease on this when it goes back together. I don't know that I've ever replaced the headlamp bulb in this bike. It's only got 20 some odd thousand miles. Park lamp, see, this is the one that lights up when we turn the key on. Oh, not anymore, it's not grounded. Ta-da! Speaking of grounds, brown is ground. Dirt. Braun. Goodbye, Ava. We have our bulb. Here's our headlamp. These two tabs. Push them down and in. So they go back in. Like that. Your bulb has one of the three tabs is larger. That's the top. Don't ever touch the filament of your new bulb with bare skin. The oil on your skin will cause premature failure of the bulb. We have our new bulb. 5560 watt. Don't use a higher wattage bulb. There are electrical modifications required to be able to do that, and it's not that great of an improvement. The reflector in the light was designed for that wattage of bulb. When you put a higher wattage bulb, while it's a bit brighter, it's scattering more light. Set our new bulb in place. Bring the cage over. We are done. Back to the bike. We're going to take our connector. Dielectric grease. This is what I use for dielectric grease. Tube's beat up. Dow Corning Compound 4 electrical insulating compound. High dielectric strength, low volatility, moisture resistant, good thermal oxidation and chemical stability. It's a 5.3 ounce tube, 150 grams. This one, remember the 1150, this connector didn't want to come apart so well. It doesn't here either. dry. See in the back? A little shot in the ground. And a little around the edge of the bulbs holder. Our headlamp. Park bulb. Ground. Look how nice that slides on now, huh? And how easy it is to remove. Low beam, high beam flash, high beam, low beam, high beam flash, low beam, high beam flash. Hooray! Fucking ass out. Where the fuck did it go? I didn't hear it hit the ground. There it is.